Hey everyone, welcome. It's Diana with Stamping Moon, and I am here with our Simple Stamping Sunday, and I'm super excited to share with you 3 projects, 1 kit, 3 ways to use these supplies, and to really just have a great time in a very fun and no stress way. So the first thing I want to show you is this kit. It is amazing. It includes everything you need. Comes in this adorable box and has all these cute ideas for you. Now you can take the supplies and run with it and do whatever you want, or you could just get together with some girlfriends or even yourself and just make them all yourself. It includes everything you need, including ink, glue, watercolor pencils, ribbon, adhesive, envelopes. I mean, it's just a ton of supplies. And so what I'm going to show you today is a simpler version of using the product with our amazing note cards that come in this kit, or don't come in the kit. These note cards you can get to do simple projects with just stamps, ink, and paper, and all you have to do is fold this envelope or fold the cardstock just like that. That's it. So let's get started. This is the Lots of Happiness. You get 20 cards included, and I am doing a simpler project version for you. This is the little block that comes in the set, and there is a stamp pad, so you don't have to buy ink. I'm going to use Memento ink just because that way I can save the spot to maybe give to someone as a gift. And let me just show you how quick and easy this stamping can be, and no stress, lots of fun, and very satisfying. There you go. And then I'm going to peel this right off the block. This is the awesome thing about having the photopolymer stamps. I'm going to grab my next one, plop it on there, ink it up. I got a little ink on my block there. I'm going to wipe that off real quick, just in case. I don't need to mess up my cute little sample I'm making you, right? Ta-da! And then I'm going to peel that one off. And look at all these stamps you get. This is so cute. And there's the next one I want to use. Pop that on there. And it might be easier to open up your card. There you go. Be sure to press down long enough that the ink can transfer. How cute is that? And that's beautiful just the way it is. Let's stamp our envelope too. We don't want a naked envelope. That tells everybody this is a special thing coming in snail mail. It's not a bill, right? All right. So we will set that aside. And then this kit, the awesome thing about it is that it comes with everything included, but these are exclusive watercolor pencils that come in this kit. And this green color here, technically it's retiring, but they're going to carry it over into the new catalog. So this is one that you won't be able to get anymore. So you definitely want to either order this now, or if you order it in the future, this will be a super fun color to have that nobody else will have. So I love that. Look at that ribbon. It coordinates as well. And the awesome thing about watercolor pencils is you don't have to watercolor. You can just use them as straight pencils to color with. And the suggestion or the tip I would give you is to use tiny little circles when you use these products. The watercolor pencils, they're super soft and have a lot of pigment, and as you layer the little circles that you're doing, you're going to get a really nice kind of ombre effect, and it's depositing tiny little bits of color on your paper, and if you go in little circles, it just kind of makes it go smoother. So how easy was that? And then you come in with a second color, and really that's where the magic happens, and you get that depth. So There is our beautiful little flower, and you can color as much as you like or as little as you like. You press harder and you'll get a more robust color there, and then you can go back in and get some more color on there. And if you like, you can do it just straight line if you really want to put down a lot of color. But that's it. You're just coloring. It is super satisfying. I love using watercolor pencils. Just dry. But let me, just to save time, you can see you could have left that blank, just the ink, and it's beautiful. This is just a beautiful little card there. Let me show you the finished product so you don't have to watch me color. But all I've done here is layer the two colors. I've got the light green and the dark green, and I prefer to start with the lighter color. You can see I did that on this flower, and then I add in the accent darker color, but you can do it however you feel comfortable. This is just coloring. There's no extra products used. Ink, paper, simple stamping at the heart of it. Is that awesome or what? Let's look if we would take this up a notch. So the kit itself has the supplies to make, I'm gonna get it wrong, 20 cards. So you've got 5 designs to make 4 of them. Here's the different designs. They come with instructions, so it's super no-brainer. You can just put them together, including the adorable envelopes. This is putting it together exactly as the kit. And again, all I did was color. I didn't use any other product on this but the watercolor pencils. Now this last piece I have for you, I've really taken it up a notch. I have used I hate to tell you this, they're retiring on Thursday. I've used the Mayflowers framelits here to cut out this extra glimmer paper in gold. I have then used the blender pens with my watercolor pencils. And what this gives you is almost a marker look or a true watercolor look. I think it's just gorgeous, and it is the simplest thing to add to your arsenal to really take your watercolor pencils up a notch. So this would be minimum you want to get this. This would be an add-on that you definitely would want to consider. And you can see here I also used my Big Shot, and I cut the base card that comes with the kit. It's white and it's printed. I actually cut this card in half, and I ran this through my Big Shot with an embossing folder, and then I stamped on the Lucky Limeade paper that again is retiring. So if you want that paper to really step some projects up, be sure to grab that while supplies last. And that is that color that's only going to be available in the light green soon. So I hope this has been a great stepped up project for you to see. Again, this is the simple stamping. It's just the note card, and I did some watercoloring with the watercolor pencils, just coloring. Then I made the card kit card as it is in the kit, and then this one I stepped it up with my Big Shot and the Mayflowers framelits and some glimmer paper and some stamping and sponging. So I hope this has been a great project idea for you. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your Sunday with me, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next video of Simple Stamping Sunday. Thanks guys. Take care. Bye-bye.